Hello and welcome to our channel BAI. In today's video, we'll be talking about one of the most exciting and rapidly evolving fields in technology: artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, also known as AI, is a term that we hear more and more often in today's world. But what exactly is AI? Put simply, AI is a branch of computer science that aims to create intelligent machines that can perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence. These machines are designed to learn, reason, and make decisions based on data and experience. One way to think of AI is as a collection of algorithms that are trained on large amounts of data to identify patterns and make predictions. The algorithms can then use this information to make decisions or take actions. There are many different techniques used in AI, including machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. Each of these techniques has its own strengths and applications. Machine learning, for example, is a technique where algorithms learn from data and improve their accuracy over time. This technique is used in applications such as image recognition, speech recognition, and recommendation systems. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses neural networks, which are modeled after the structure of the human brain. This technique is used in applications such as self-driving cars, voice assistants, and medical diagnosis. Natural language processing is a technique used to understand and analyze human language. It is used in applications such as chatbots, language translation, and speech recognition. Computer vision is a technique used to enable machines to understand and interpret visual data. It is used in applications such as facial recognition, object detection, and autonomous vehicles. And finally, robotics is the field of AI that focuses on creating machines that can perform physical tasks. This includes applications such as drones, manufacturing robots, and surgical robots. So, why is AI so important? Well, AI has the potential to revolutionize many different industries, from healthcare to finance to transportation. It can help us solve complex problems, improve efficiency, and make more informed decisions. However, as with any powerful technology, there are also concerns about the ethical and societal implications of AI. It's important that we use this technology responsibly and ensure that it benefits everyone in society. That's it for today's video. We hope you found this introduction to AI informative and interesting. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on this exciting topic. Thanks for watching.